Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we will do the unboxing of a 1 rupee product ordered from Flipkart using the super coins. Just rupees 1 from your pocket and this product will be delivered to you. We will have a quick look what this product is like and how to order this product so that it will be delivered to you. Let's enjoy the cinematic shots first. So this is basically a screwdriver set which I ordered from the Flipkart app. As you can see, this product has been delivered to me. So what we will do is we will see and open this Flipkart ad and do the steps how to order this product at your doorstep. So this, as you can see, 221 rupees is the marked price for this product, and you can see the reviews also. What we will do is we will quickly jump to the product where we will find this product. So in order to do this, just go into this Supercoin section in your Flipkart app, and you can see there are sections of 1 rupees, 49, 99 and 100. Click on 1 rupee section and you will see a whole list of products that can be ordered at rupee 1, and then the next are the amount paid from your Flipkart. So we will click on this screwdriver set of rupees 221. Click on buy now and select your address, then simply continue, pay rupees 1 and it will be delivered to you. Let me tell you, there is nothing extraordinary in this product and it will be delivered to you if you order the same. And about the quality is average, not very bad, but it will do the things done. So easily you can go for this product, a very good product, at least at rupees 1. So thank you very much for today. Subscribe my channel and support the channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.